Welcome to Kruger National Park, one of Africa's most iconic wildlife destinations. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 reasons why this renowned safari park should be on your travel radar. Kruger National Park is famous for being home to the Big Five: elephants, lions, leopards, rhinos, and buffalo. Embark on thrilling safari adventures through the park's diverse ecosystems, where you'll have the chance to encounter these iconic animals in their natural habitat. In addition to the Big Five, Kruger is home to an abundance of other wildlife species, including giraffes, zebras, cheetahs, hippos, crocodiles, and a variety of antelope species. Whether you're exploring the savannahs, riverbanks, or woodlands, you'll be treated to unforgettable wildlife sightings around every corner. For bird enthusiasts, Kruger National Park is a paradise, with over 500 bird species recorded within its borders. From majestic raptors and colorful kingfishers to elusive owls and rare migratory species, birdwatchers will delight in spotting a wide variety of avian residents amidst the park's diverse habitats. Kruger National Park is renowned for its stunning landscapes, from vast grasslands and ancient riverbeds to rugged mountains and dense forests. Explore the park's diverse terrain on guided game drives, bushwalks, or self-drive safaris, and marvel at the beauty of its natural wonders. Discover the rich cultural heritage of Kruger National Park through visits to archaeological sites, rock art paintings, and cultural villages. Learn about the park's history and the indigenous cultures that have called this region home for thousands of years, and gain insights into the traditional ways of life. Experience the magic of Kruger after dark with thrilling night drives through the park's wilderness. Led by experienced guides, these nocturnal safaris offer a unique opportunity to encounter elusive nocturnal animals such as leopards, hyenas, and bush babies, as well as witnessing the park's nocturnal landscapes come alive under the moonlit sky. Indulge in luxury amidst the wilderness of Kruger with a variety of upscale lodges, tented camps, and safari resorts offering world-class amenities and personalized service. Whether you're seeking a romantic getaway or a family-friendly retreat, Kruger's luxury accommodations promise a stay that's as unforgettable as the park itself. Support conservation efforts in Kruger National Park, which are dedicated to protecting the park's precious wildlife and natural habitats for future generations. From anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration projects to community-based conservation programs, there are many ways to get involved and contribute to the protection of Kruger's biodiversity. Engage in educational programs and guided experiences that offer insights into Kruger's ecosystems, wildlife conservation efforts, and sustainable tourism practices. Join expert-led bushwalks, wildlife talks, and conservation workshops, and learn about the importance of preserving Kruger's natural heritage for future generations. Experience unforgettable sunsets over the African savanna in Kruger National Park, where the sky bursts into hues of orange, pink, and purple as the sun dips below the horizon. Capture breathtaking photos of the sunset from scenic viewpoints or enjoy sundowner drinks amidst the tranquility of nature's beauty. With its spectacular wildlife sightings, stunning landscapes, and rich cultural heritage, Kruger National Park offers a truly unforgettable safari experience in the heart of Africa. If you're ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime, Kruger awaits. If you enjoyed this exploration of Kruger National Park, be sure to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration and wildlife adventures. Until next time, happy travels.